Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 1, Number 9, which reads, which choice best supports the conclusion that Mr. Peter wants to attract attention? And we see it somewhere between lines 80 and 93, so we go there. And here we see in line 80, it begins, apparently, he himself was not aware that there had been any change. Now, if it's important to see what change he's talking about, you got to make sure you read the paragraph before. He straightened his tie self-consciously. Then when Irma handed him a menu, he gestured with it so that the two women at the next table would notice a diamond ring on his fourth finger of his right hand. So first off, he straightened his tie self-consciously. So it sounds like he's concerned with what other people think of him. Irma handed him the menu. He gestured with it so that the women at the next table would notice a diamond ring on the fourth finger of his right hand. So he wants them to notice it. That looks like he's attracting attention. So answer choice B is going to be your correct answer. Let's read the rest of the paragraph and see if there's any hints anywhere else that he might be looking to attract attention. Both of these things, and also the fact, so when it says both of these things, he's not aware that there's any change. The second to last paragraph, big word for that is the penultimate paragraph, the second to last paragraph. He's aging, but he's not aware that there's any change. And then he's trying to impress those girls. So, and in fact, that his hands showed the sign of a manicurist, one can blame him on the young man who had taken his picture with the derby hat on the back of his head and also sitting with the girl on the curve of the moon. So it gets a little abstract, a little metaphorical here. What's he talking about? It's clarified in the end of this paragraph. The young man had never for 1 second deserted Mr. Peters. He was always there, tugging at Mr. Peters' elbow, making him do things that were not becoming of a man of 45. So, who's the young man? It is the younger version of himself. How do we know that? Well, the only person he's there with is his son, and his son is not like, hey, why don't you show those girls your bling bling? So, anyway, my name's Paul Pasulka. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. And for the 1-minute video, check us out on TikTok. Have a great day.